Lab work number 4, creating a web page using HTML. Theory. HTML is the language used to create web page designs. Notepad++ is the text editor typically used to build HTML documents. Before we can create a web page, we need to decide on the information and design. Necessary tools: 1. Hardware, a computer desktop or a laptop. 2. Software, operating system, Windows 10 and editing. Software, Notepad++. 3. Browsing software, Google Chrome. Primary works of the experiment: 1. To turn on the main electric line. 2. To turn on the power switch of the CPU. 3. To ensure Notepad++ is installed. Procedure: 1. To turn on the computer and come to the desktop. 2. Double-clicks on the Notepad++ icon from the desktop. 3. The Notepad++ editor will be launched. 4. The necessary tags for creating web pages are typed in Notepad++. Explanation of tags: 1. Indicates a HTML document. 2. Indicates a head part of the web page. 3. Is used to give a title of the page. 4. Indicates the main part of the page. Saving of file: 1. Click on the Save icon from the toolbar. 2. From the Save As dialog box, type webpages.html in the File Name section and click on the Save button. The created web page will be saved as Webpages. Display result: 1. From the Notepad++ editor's Run option, select the Start option in the Google Chrome browser. 2. The section typed on the body is shown on the web page when the Google Chrome browser is opened. 3. A web page, webpages.html, is produced if the aforementioned actions are completed with Notepad++. Display result: Thank you.